Hello friends, welcome to Inside Text. This is a platform to learn about power transmission elements and its control. So friends, in today's video we are going to learn about lightning arrestor and a special test that is conducted on lightning arrestor, that is LCM, that is called as leakage current monitoring test. So first of all, let us understand what is a lightning arrestor LA. So friends, this is a symbol of lightning arrestor LA that is used in any single line diagrams to represent a lightning arrestor, okay, in power system. So why LA, lightning arrestor, is used? So LA, as the name suggests, it arrests the lightnings. So basically LA absorbs high voltage surges and protects the system from lightning. It provides high resistance at low voltage and low resistance at higher voltage. Right, LA is placed on both sides of the equipment which is required to be protected. So whenever you enter a switchyard from the line end, the very first equipment that you will see inside the switchyard will be a lightning arrestor LA. So reasons for development of voltage surge. The external reason we all know is the lightning. So LA will protect the surge arrestors due to lightning, and it will protect from internal switching, voltage surges that are produced due to internal switching. So this kind of voltage surges can be produced whenever a breaker is turned on, turn off. Okay, whenever any equipment is turned on and turn off, it will have its internal voltage surges. So LA will protect the equipment from both kind of surges, that is external lightning surges and internal switching surges as well. So various types of LA that are used in power system are rod type LA, sphere type LA, horn gap type LA, but the major type used is the metal oxide lightning arrestors and specifically zinc oxide. The metal is zinc oxide, right? Why this kind of LA is used? Let us understand that from its characteristics. So zinc oxide is something, it looks, a plate of zinc oxide looks like this. So based on how much kV voltage you want for LA, this kind number of plates are stacked one on the another and you can get the zinc oxide LA. So let us see now the characteristics of zinc oxide LA. So what is the basic characteristics of LA is, it will have high resistance on low voltages. Say if the LA is made for 66 kV, then it will have high resistance, so very less amount of current you can see is flowing. Okay, for 50 volts only 0 amperes, about 0 ampere is flowing. For 150 it is 1 milliampere, right? But as the voltage is higher, as the voltage is increasing, it will have low resistance. Low resistance means high amount of current is flowing through the LA. So because of this particular characteristics of zinc oxide, we majorly use zinc oxide lightning arrestors in the power system. So friends, this is the LA, zinc oxide LA, that we used inside the EHV power systems. So this is how a LA is situated in a substation. You can see it is connected through a conductor to the system through the substation switchyard, and it is the dog conductor over here. It can be any conductor for which this LA equipment is used. This is the zinc oxide LA. This is the LA counter that is connected through a cable towards the LA, and other end is done the earthing. So basically what we do is, for any kind of surge we do the earthing of that surge, right? But through this LA. So because of this LA and because of its characteristics, what happens is, all the current, all this voltage surge will be passing through this thing only. So the equipment which it is protecting will be protected easily. And also we have a provision for counter. See, this is how a counter looks. So it will measure how many voltage surge have been passing through this LA. So for the connection of this LA, we have seen a single cable is connecting this counter and the LA, you can see over here, and through this thing it is earthing is done. Now to measure the healthiness, to check the healthiness of the equipment, we have to perform various tests. So on LA we do a LCM test, that is leakage current monitoring. How much leakage current is flowing through this, and through its check of healthiness we will see if high amount of resistance is having at low voltage and low resistance at high voltage is occurring or not. So we have LCM kit to do this LCM test. The LCM kit looks like this. It has two probes. One is the clip-on meter and other is a disc probe, that is FP500. Let us now see in detail the working of this kit. So friends, this is how the LCM kit looks like. It has two probes, clip-on meter and FP500 disc probe. Okay, so this is a basic LCM kit packaging, how it comes. We will put on the clip-on meter on the cable that is connecting the LA and the LA counter. We have turned it on, and now we will hang this clip-on meter on this cable. It has a provision for antenna over here through which it will be connected to our testing kit. See, it is connected on this cable. Next, we are putting two discs on the probes, that is FP500 probe. One disc is placed on the bottom side and another disc is to be placed on the top side. After fixing both the discs, we will now turn it on and we will keep this probe inside the space provided to fix this probe on this stick, that is a non-conducting stick for information. And this test is basically done on the live lines. So to keep a safe distance, we have placed this probes on the bottom top side. Okay, and we have connected this clip-on meter on this cable over here. So friends, this is how you have to place both the probes safely. Now let us turn on the kit. It has to be turned on only after proper earthing is done to the kit. You can see the LCM kit has started. We will click on the measure and run button again. So measurement is in progress now, and you will be able to see the results on the screen after the measurements has been completed. 52 microohms and 833 52 microamperes and 833 microamperes is the reading. Okay, so that is the leakage current that is flowing through this LA. So friends, this is all about the LCM measurement for lightning arrestors. For any queries, you can please ask in the comments below and keep watching our videos. Thank you.